Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making ham roll. Thinly sliced ham is rolled into Japanese-style bread dough and baked. It is a popular savory bread you can find at many Japanese bakeries. These are the ingredients. Japanese bread rolls are light and fluffy. Please follow the recipe video to learn how to make our basic Japanese bread. For more information and complete recipe, visit our website japanesecooking101.com. Here we have the Japanese basic bread dough after finishing the first rise. Transfer it to a cutting board and deflate the gas from the dough. Flatten a little bit and then divide it into 8 equal pieces. Form each piece into a small ball, like that. And cover with the plastic wrap and let them rest for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the filling and topping. Slice the onion thinly and cut ham if needed, depending on the size of the ham. We need 8 slices. And make egg wash by mixing 1 egg and a pinch of salt. Now we take a piece of dough and roll out into an oval shape, about 4 by 5 inches or 10 by 12.5 centimeters. Lay a slice of ham over the dough and roll them together tightly like a jelly roll. And pinch all edges so that the ham is concealed in the dough. Now pinch the long ends of the stick together, then push it down a little bit to make somewhat flat. Make a vertical cut in the middle of the dough, leaving 1 inch in the pinched and uncut. Open up the dough and place on a baking pan lined with parchment paper, swirl side up. Repeat with the rest of the dough. Leave 2 inches between rolls on the pan. Let rise for 45 minutes or until double in size. Now brush egg wash on the rolls and a few pieces of sliced onion and squeeze mayo on top. And finally sprinkle with some aonori. We are ready to bake. Place in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake about 12 minutes or until browned. This is a very flexible recipe and easily compatible with other ingredients or condiments. You can use ham, turkey, cheese, or other types of vegetables. Have fun finding your favorite combination. Hope you enjoy!
美味しい。美味しいね。